The 18th edition of Red Bull Rampage in Virgin this week started with the first ever women's competition on Thursday, with Robin Gooms of New Zealand taking first place. Then on Saturday, 17 top riders competed for the men's championship. Amid windy conditions and temperatures in the high 80s, the riders executed a number of exciting crowd-pleasing stunts, which brought plenty of thrills, although there were also a few spills.
In the midst of that much insane natural skill. Biggie. And he's backflipping Biggie. Yes. And he stops that. Big speed. He goes upside down.
Been watching the weather models very diligently, and we know we have a small window. And it's been consistent the past couple days. We've had strong winds in one direction and then a 180-degree shift.
Winning his fifth Red Bull Rampage was 33-year-old Canadian Brandon Semenuk, seen here capping off his first-place run.
Big slope-style moves in the big mountain terrain of Virgin, Utah. On this, go, Price is right.
Taking second place for the second time in 3 years was Szymon Gajek of Poland.
On his final trick jump, what's he got for us? Backflip now.
Shown here is Tyler McCall of Tokerville, who wowed the hometown crowd with a third-place finish. McCall spoke on camera afterward about his podium finish.
It still feels kind of surreal. Just we've been out here for so long. Feels like we've been out here for months, but it's been 12 days. My crew is absolutely insane. The amount of work that they did on my line is incredible, and they got me to the point to where I felt completely comfortable to do the biggest line I've ever ridden. I'm very relieved. I've been living out here for 5.5 years. I love this stuff. I live and breathe it, and been through some hard times with injuries and all that, and it just feels great. It took me 14 years to finally get on a podium for my first Rampage, so that's pretty darn cool.
This is Jeff Richards reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.